Christmas. Today we present you a double feature video, the exploration of a beautiful Pietrasanta.
And also we are trying out our new DJI Osmo Mobile 2, what we got yesterday from Santa Claus, and this is its test run, so enjoy! Ciao! Ciao! Pietrasanta now, which is in Toscana. It's the first day of Christmas, 25th of December. They're having beautiful lights everywhere. There's quite some life in the city. This is unexpected. For me, actually in Hungary we are spending this time with family, and here people just walking around enjoying the mild weather.
It's a matter of survival because during this day you eat so much and you drink so much that if you don't work out for several hours in the cold of the night, then chances are you're not waking up tomorrow. So it's a matter of survival, as I said, indeed.
We actually just survived the third family lunch dinner together. There was so much food, so much fish that we need to walk like, I don't know, 25
So much
kilometers at
liquor,
least.
yeah.
So this is how we decided to discover a bit Toscana, if possible. And in this city I've never been before, so Luca decided to bring me here because it's really famous from the stone masonry.
Exactly. This area, Pietrasanta with Massa Carrara and such, has been exploited for centuries to extract high quality stones to be used in artistic projects. So statues, how to say, slabs for walls. I think about murales, but think about a guy using a scalpel for millions of hours making beautiful masterpieces in stone. And the tradition kind of carries on up until this day, with lots of little shops dedicated to art exhibition of various kind. Here we're in the city center, and the Christmas tree is excellent. I've been pushed to go away from the direction.
Yeah.
And
now we can see the city center.
now we can see all around us if the gimbal doesn't betray us. Here we go.